Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. We're in the kitchen cooking something special up with Carol. Carol, what are we making? Because you have like my favorite food
I know it. We are making a bacon cheeseburger tater tot casserole.
Yum.
So yeah, that sounds good and easy enough, right? So,
right? You question us?
Yes.
Carol, you question our abilities. Okay, so what do we
easy
got?
ingredients.
Okay.
Here's what we got. 4 ingredients. We have a half a pound, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, half of a white onion, some ketchup, some mustard, some bacon, crisp and crumbled. We have some cheddar cheese, sour cream, and of course some tater tots and a can of cheddar soup.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This is easy
very
peasy.
easy peasy. And then all you have to do is like what Ronnie's doing right now, where you're just gonna brown up this hamburger.
Now, do you put any seasoning with your burger, Carol? Because May is beef month.
Yes.
Great recipe for beef month.
Nope, because we're just going to brown it. We're going to add the onion to it.
Okay.
We're going to add some ketchup and mustard. We're going to mix it up.
my
And then we're going
goodness.
to add the cheese, tater tot, soup, sour cream, and mix it all together. And then you bake it for 40 to 45 minutes, 350 degrees. And
Now, this is something that your family will eat, right?
Yes, they will.
And you have bacon, which is the #1 food group in America.
Yes. So I figured, yeah, this is something we'll all like.
Very
Kind of
nice.
like, you remember, what did you have? Someone was asking me, oh, you had the cheeseburger soup last week. Remember you made that?
That was really
For a
good.
cold day. I had a friend ask me, Julie said, did you make that? Because it looked really good. I said, no, I had chicken noodle soup that day. Because in May, of course, you need soup because
Well, you
it's
do.
freezing outside.
And you know, I know that there's a lot of colds and stuff going around
There
and
are.
pneumonia.
Yes, there are.
Soup always tastes good, so.
Yes, my son was sick for a little
That's
while with a
not
cold.
good.
Although I think it was more his allergies than a cold. but
That's going around too.
yeah.
So this is a pound and a half.
Pound and a half.
Very nice.
And
Cooking it on high.
well, you know, because we're on the show.
Because we're.
We gotta get it done.
Well, no, I
sooner
always
than
cook,
later.
I always cook on high.
Yeah. And so I think I might use a little bit more than half. This was a very small onion I got.
Was
So-
it? Does your family like onions?
No, but I do. And
Well,
that's
what
the
matters.
one thing. It's
that's
just
what matters. You want to add some in here, or do you add it later? Do you cook it with it?
We'll probably drain that since that's
Okay.
not very lean meat.
This was like a lot of meat.
Does it look like more than a pound and a half? Or
Don't
should
matter.
I put in
It's-
more?
No, it's fine.
No, is it fine? Okay.
The more burger, the better, is what I always
Yeah.
say. Of course, I always say the more bacon, the better, too. You can't
Yes.
tell I'm a proteinaholic, can you?
Burger's good. Good burger.
Very
good
nice.
burger.
I found a recipe for Big Macs that
A
are
recipe
keto.
for
A
Big
keto
Macs?
that is
Oh.
like low carb, which I would love to try. My daughter's doing the keto, so we've been cooking a lot with just exploring different recipes.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm excited. Okay.
There's that burger. Oh, that is
Okay.
cooking up good.
So do we need to do anything with the bacon while it's, or is this just going to sit here in the
Oh,
box
yes.
looking pretty?
No, if you want to start the bacon, you're good
want
at
it
that. I'll
hand
take
off?
this, hand off, and finish
Okay, do
this
I do
up.
the whole thing?
Well, how many? There's only 9 pieces in there.
That's not
let's
even
do the whole
enough.
I know. It said only 6 pieces, but I'm like, let's just do the whole thing.
Oh.
'Cause
We could do a whole show cooking with bacon.
I know it. Yeah, if you have,
Seriously.
you know what? We should ask our viewers, go to
Yep.
our Facebook page. If you have
Please.
some recipes you would like us to try, like maybe one of your favorite family recipes,
Yeah.
and watch how we would make it.
Put our own little twist to it. We can do that.
Go ahead and do that. Put that
Okay.
to our Facebook page and say, try this favorite family recipe.
Or I got a better idea. My sister's a fantastic cook and she works in the Burwell school system. I've been
yes.
begging her to come cook with us because she has so many awesome, easy peasy
Yes.
family recipes that I would absolutely love her.
And she makes those in the school,
Oh,
at school?
no, she does it at home. She was
okay.
a family and consumer science teacher way back in the day, and her
okay.
recipes are like second to none. So
Well, yeah, we
really
can
need her
always
to
use some
come
good
on
family
and do
recipes.
that. All right, friends, stay with us because we're going to be frying up this bacon, cooking the hamburger with the onion, and finishing this recipe up with Carol when we return. Stay with us, friends.